Welcome back, my buddies. This is Garage Cars. Today, we're diving into a true vintage masterpiece, the Citroën 2CV6. This timeless classic captures the spirit of simplicity and charm, proving that sometimes less is truly more. Let's take a closer look at this automotive icon. The Citroën 2CV6 stands as a vintage masterclass in design and functionality, embodying simplicity, charm, and practicality. A late evolution of the iconic 2CV, this model builds on its predecessor's legacy while retaining the essence that made it a cultural phenomenon. From rural roads to bustling cities, the 2CV6 was created to be a car for everyone, and its enduring appeal continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. The performance of the 2CV6 may be modest by modern standards, but it's brimming with character. Powered by an upgraded air-cooled, two-cylinder engine producing 29 horsepower, the 2CV6 delivers a steady and dependable drive. It's not about speed but about the unique joy of effortless cruising. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the car offers smooth shifts and a surprisingly capable ride, thanks to its lightweight construction and ingenious suspension system. This setup ensures a comfortable journey, even on less than perfect roads. Visually, the 2CV6 retains the unmistakable design cues that define the 2CV family. Its rounded bodywork, corrugated roof, and quirky headlamp design give it an endearing presence that exudes nostalgia. Enhancements on the 2CV6 include refined detailing and a broader color palette, offering a touch of modernity while preserving its retro charm. The roll-back canvas roof adds an extra layer of versatility and fun, making every drive a potential open-air adventure. Inside, the 2CV6 champions functionality with a dose of charm. The minimalist dashboard, simple controls, and hammock-style seats reflect its practical origins. Yet, this simplicity is a key part of its allure. Every detail feels purposeful, creating an authentic vintage driving experience. The interior offers surprising comfort and space, easily accommodating passengers and luggage, making it more versatile than it appears at first glance. Efficiency was always a hallmark of the 2CV series, and the 2CV6 stays true to that legacy. With its small engine and lightweight design, it sips fuel, offering excellent mileage that appeals to drivers seeking both economy and eco-friendliness. Even in today's landscape of advanced hybrids, the 2CV6 remains a compelling option for those who appreciate its straightforward and efficient approach. The Citroën 2CV6 is a rolling tribute to the beauty of simplicity and thoughtful engineering. Decades after its heyday, it continues to embody an era where cars were built to connect people with the road and the world around them. That's the Citroën 2CV6, a vintage marvel that stands the test of time with its unique character and enduring appeal. Share your thoughts on this classic in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Garage Cars for more legendary car stories. See you next time.